Cameron Beck, thank you for helping with my Eagle project. This video will explain how to add photos to FindAGrave and answer questions. First, create a free FindAGrave account. Go to findagrave.com. In the upper right hand corner, click Join Now and follow the instructions. Be sure to write down your username and password. Second, insert your CD into your computer. Create a new file on your desktop. With a simple name that you will remember, like Grave Photos. And all of the photos from your CD to the new file folder. This way, as you work through the photos in the folder, you can delete them as you go. You'll know exactly where you left off and which photo you are on. Third, start going through the photos. We'll open the first one. Ned Roundy. Now we need to open FindAGrave and go to our cemetery. All of our photos are from Evergreen Cemetery in Springville. Go to FindAGrave. Click search for a cemetery. Type Evergreen Cemetery. Choose Utah from the state list. Click search. Click on Evergreen Cemetery. Now we will be searching for graves only in our cemetery. Back to Ned Roundy. Let's see if he's in the cemetery. Wow, there he is. He already has a memorial page and a photo. So I can delete this picture. Next photo. Morris and Golda Menlove. From Ned's page, I can click on Evergreen Cemetery and it will keep me in our cemetery. I type Menlove and hit search. Here is Morris. He has a memorial page, but no photo. I click add a photo. Click browse. Choose the Grave Photos folder. Click the image number on the photo. Image 209. Select that photo and click open. Now click add this photo. The photo will take a moment to load. Now click add this photo and caption.
Oops, our photo's upside down, so we're going to fix that. Go back, come to our photo. We'll crop it. Save our crop. And for some reason that fixes the problem. And now we'll click add this photo. Now our photo's the right way.
Now click add this photo and caption. Golda needs the photo also, so we will repeat the process for her.
We can click her name from Morris's page and go to her memorial.
Next photo. Oh, click add a photo for this person. Image 209.
Click add this photo.
Add this photo and caption. And now it's done.
So we can delete that photo.
Our next photo is James Edward Bates. So search our cemetery for Bates. There he is. He has a memorial page and a photo, but this photo is of the back of his headstone. Let's add it. Image 205.
Oops, upside down. We'll fix that again. Some of the iPhoto photos are that way, and you don't know until you add them. So we can delete that one.
Next photo, Brandon Monty Larson. Search our cemetery for Larson. He's not there. We need to add his page and photo. What a shame. We'll use the information from his headstone. I will click Add a Name to this cemetery.
He was born October 28th, 1975. He died August 13th, 2000.
Proceed to step 2.
Now if we click this top choice, we'll be able to see the memorial we just created.
Click Add a photo for this person.
Now Brandon's done. We can delete this photo. Alright, there were a couple other things that Ryan wanted me to explain that are tricky. The first was when you come across an entry where the image isn't very good and the photo we've taken is better, so I'll show you an example. This is a memorial page for Clara Hall. This is the photo that was already on the page. We had this photo, which was much easier to read, so we went ahead and added it even though it was a duplicate. You'll just have to use your judgment on whether you think our photo is enough better to be worth having two photos. The second issue that you might run into is the upside down photos, which we already showed you. I'll show you one more time. We have a photo here for a Matthew Thomas Stedman. We'll click on the Evergreen Cemetery link, search by the last name of Stedman. We have Matthew Thomas right here. He has a photo, but no photo of his headstone. So we're going to add that photo We'll browse. We're down to our last image. When I click Add Photo, it works on loading. And then you can see that the photo is upside down. So if I just back arrow to the last page I was on, come back to my photo, crop it, we'll select an area, choose crop from my tool menu, and then save. And then I can come back to this page and click add photo, and it will add that photo with the changes, and it will be right side up. If you're using a PC, we're using a Mac. If you're using a PC, the steps might be slightly different to crop the photo and save it, but once you figure it out the first time, you'll repeat those same steps. I can now add this photo, and Matthew now has a photo of his headstone as well. And I can delete this photo from my folder, and I've now finished all of the photos that were on the CD that I added into my desktop folder. And now I'll send it back over to Ryan to explain a few last things.
Please keep track of the amount of time you spend. As you work through your photos, please make tally marks to keep track of the work you accomplished.
Here's a tally sheet you can use. These are the categories.
Photos added to existing memorial pages created, photos not needed, and duplicate photos.
Because they were better, right?
When you are finished or need to stop, total your time and tally the marks. Email me your numbers. If any of your photos are a problem, please note the disk name and photo number so we can check that image. If you need to stop before you go through every photo on your CD, write the image number of the last photo you worked on the post-it note on the inside of your CD case. This will allow someone to pick up where you left off without wasting time. Thank you again. I appreciate your help. Email me with numbers or questions at ryanbeckeagle@gmail.com. You can find that on the CD case.
Thank you.